So this is a 4-step easy instructional video how to drastically increase the price of your car. Maybe.
Which part would you like to fix?
This part right here.
Wow. Did you do it?
No, I didn't do it. We bought this at Autovex.
Yep.
And we couldn't wait, so we were doing it in their car park. It should be pretty simple, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you just got to sand it down, and then you just mix it, put it in, and sand it down.
Mm.
And it's even silver.
Looks easy.
Look, it matches.
Nice.
Alright, let's start.
Do we need to do this?
This is step 1, Jim.
Oh, really? A little bit?
Ah, it's perfect now. Step 1 done. We need a 2-to-1 ratio. Some hardener.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're going to run out. Oh no!
Looks not enough.
This doesn't make any sense. They say 2-to-1 ratio, but they don't even give you enough. You just got to mix it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, it's going to have to go on pretty quickly. It's drying. Oh,
Oh, looks not bad.
man, it's... Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. What are you doing?
June! Oh, crap.
We should mix up all of them.
Yeah, maybe, I think so. We're just gonna have to mix it on the car now, aren't we? No, your advice was bad. Your advice was so bad. This part looks good.
I don't think so.
We didn't follow the instructions book. We put too much hardener in. I think the outer layer doesn't need any hardener. You know, that didn't work.
ちょっとわからん。
その辺はへこんでないよ。You're just putting
でもそのさらーっといってる。
さらーってなんないでしょ。That part's not dented, Jun.
Yes, I know.
Focus on the dent.
ここもいいや後で。
The more you touch it, the worse it gets. That's what she said. I reckon that'll do it.
Mm.
Now we'll just wait and sand it down.
Yep.
How to drastically increase the price of your vehicle, part 2. Because part 1 didn't increase the price of the vehicle at all.
Okay.
I think we decreased the price of the vehicle. So we had some putty on there, and as you can see, it didn't last very long. We've got our panel beating tools.
Yep.
We're back in Autovex.
Thank you, Autoback.
With the wheel off.
Yes.
I was just going to see if we can bang it out even a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
See what it looks like. Alright.
Okay.
Oh, I got some shit in my eyes. Did it do anything?
Nothing changed.
I think we made it worse. We put a crack in it. Alright, we're just going to fill it up with putty.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
We can't go back now.
One way.
June scratched up my car. 15 minutes apparently till it hardens.
Yep. No No bubble.
No bubbles. I don't know how to do that. All you gotta do is follow the instructions. Who knew?
When you came to Japan first time,
Yeah.
did you expect you become a panel beater?
Yeah. I don't know. I had a feeling. I don't think this qualifies as being a penalty. This doesn't count. Qualifies
So-
as two idiots in Autodex car park. We have 3 sandpages.
Yep.
A 100, a 320 and a 1000. So we'll start with 100.
Okay.
See if we can get it all off. How to drastically increase the price of your car.
Part 3?
Or 4 or 5 or 6. So we got some car paint from Autodex.
Yep.
We should have the right colour code.
Yep.
Get it off the inside of the door. 1F7.
One
If
F7.
anyone's stupid enough to use this video as a
F7.
tutorial. We're not too sure if like you have to blend it or what, so we're just sort of gonna see how it goes. This isn't how I imagined it. Is this how you imagined it?
I think not too bad.
Oh, really?
Hmm.
It looks exactly the same as before, just silver now.
Yeah, but it's still not dry yet. So yeah, still.
You're very optimistic. Still looks the same.
Maybe a little more.
How many layers does it say to do?
薄めに塗り重ねていきます。
Once again, we're reading the instructions after. Look at that color match. All right. Now we're just gonna wait for it to dry.
Yep.
And see what it turns out like. We spent how many weeks on this?
Maybe 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yep.
And we've got it perfect. So the paint dried now, and it's come out really good.
Wow.
Pretty good, eh?
You are best panel beater ever.
It's almost as good as the other side. Woo!
Looks not bad. Yeah, it's our first time.
It's pretty good for a first time.
Hmm.
I reckon. Is it?
Yeah.
If you want to fix a dent on your dog leg, check out the other YouTube videos. Sweet. Subscribe.